Here we are, Hanging Rock boat ramp. I pulled up for my Australia Day trip. I'm here solo today. We're in for a cracker of a day. Weather's perfect. It's going to be a bloody beauty. So close, sorry buddy. Oh shit, that stressed me like crazy. Pretty busy here this morning. Boats everywhere. Anyway, we're on. Let's get out. Weather's perfect. Less than a metre of swell. Less than 10 k's an hour. Winds. Get out and get some fish, huh? I stopped near Snapper Island to try and get a bit of bait with a bait jig. Really didn't do any good. So we're just going to head out around the point. Somewhere between 60 and 70 metres. Alright, so I've come out today, Batemans Bay, solo. Bloody long way from anywhere really. Only a couple of boats around. Stacks at the boat ramp. Can't see any others out here. Craig Gillian from Jigging Addictions hooked me up with these a little while ago. I'm going to give these a run. Don't think I've got anything on. Got a few good bites though. Got a bite on the jig as well. Not going so good this morning. I tried jigging for a little bit earlier. Dragging a skirt. We're going out a little bit deeper, so at the moment I've got a skirt dragging behind us. Water temperature's dropped as well. A bit earlier it was 24.5, now we're down to 23.5. As I've come wider it's cooled down a bit. Oh, some colour. Something small. Oh, a little blue morwong. Oh, yeah. Not such a bad fish. Bloody excellent. Something on. It's small. Not putting up any fire.
Really want to taste this chocolate and licorice?
Sergeant Baker.
He went some cooking, whatever it's called.
Sergeant Baker. Oh, well, Baker. So I dropped the bait down. I was using the electric motor to change spots really slowly, like go opposite the drift. And I got a bite. It's big, but a dead weight. Better to another big Sergeant Baker.
SA 618, Batemans Bay Marine Rescue. You on channel 160?
Is that it?
SA 160,
Oh well.
please go channel 19.
Nanagai, it's alright. Decent little fish. Get a few more of them and I'll have a feed.
That acts as reference for navigation.
Oh, you joke? It's just a massive Sergeant Baker.
It was far too hot.
So disappointing.
What are you expecting?
Still a good fish to catch.
I love once I saw the Golden Gate Bridge was given 1 star.
Certainly a good fish.
Like a similar Cape Town
Fish.
lighthouse in the middle of it. It's a great tourist destination. They tell you to go there. There's a glass bottom boat, right? So you get there and you walk around the island and there's red and white snakes everywhere.
Well, it's time to move. I've got that big Sergeant Baker and she's a beaut. I'll use him for bait. I'm going to mince him up and put him down as a frozen ball one day soon. But for now, I'm just going to pull these lines in and get moving. Haven't had anything besides a Sergeant Baker for a little while, so yeah. I can see fish on the sounder, but they're just not what I'm after.
Lucky, visit Beach Lotto and Gifts and Daisy Girl today. Network Video Maringula are closing at the end of January, so now is the perfect time to come on in during their huge DVD clearance. And don't forget their giftware is on sale too. You'll find Network Video Maringula facing the Park Street car park.
I'm okay with that. A couple of good sized nannies. A couple of nannies is always cool. They're good size too. Get straight back down, see if we can get some more. Looks like a fish trap here. I've got a skirt and a squid wing trawling out the back. Hopefully we pick up a dolphin fish or something similar. Still funny haze in the air today. It's quite hot. It's alright when you're moving around though. Haven't done so good in the fish so far. 3 nanagai, 1 rubber lip, and a couple of decent sized Sergeant Baker. That'll be good for future bait, I guess. About 20 minutes ago, the Marine Rescue put out an all vessels request for anyone in the proximity of Grasshopper Island. I was about 2 or 3 k's away, so I offered to help. They seemed to think they had a proper rescue vessel close. I didn't see it go there though. Starting to get a little bit of wind up, the waves are coming up. Seeing an odd white cap. The swell's still really good though. Where are you? Hey, there we are, some dolphins. I was pretty badly snagged. Just here, I'm in fairly shallow. So I used the boat to chase the line a bit. And when I finally got it up, this was on the end. Going back, eh? The Marine Rescue guys are doing a good job here. Apparently the boat they were towing was the one that broke down near Grasshopper Island with engine failure. Well, that's about it for this trip. I went out the front, had a good fish, didn't do too good. Got 1 blue morwong, 3 nanagai, a bunch of Sergeant Bakers as well. So you know, didn't do too bad, certainly enough to give us a feed for the kids and family, so that'll be alright. I enjoy making these videos and appreciate your feedback in the comments. If you've found yourself watching a few of my videos, maybe consider subscribing and turning your notifications on.